How to update the OTR2 application. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. If you are looking to update the OTR2 app and keep the app up to date to get the latest features, improve performance and so on, first of all, go ahead and open up your Google Play Store or your App Store on your smartphone or tablet. Now go to the search bar at the top and type in OTR2 and search. From the search result, find the OTR2 app from Dogbyte Games and look if there is an update button available. If you don't see the update button, it means you've already updated your latest version of the app. But if you see an update button, tap on it to download the latest version immediately. So, after you do that, you can play the app open, and updating your app helps you ensure you have the latest content, improved performance, and the latest bug fixes for the best gameplay experience. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.